Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner on her Summer Lantern Collab. I'm so excited because I DIY'd a lantern for this challenge. So now let's get started. First we're going to take our popsicle sticks and we're going to get them to a boil in our stove for 1 hour. And then we will put them here. They are boiling. We still have 15 minutes to go, but I wanted to show you that they are boiling. Now we're gonna fit them in our bowl, and the stress point is the center, so you have to fit the ends first. My son is my cameraman. You're gonna continue adding them and we continue struggling with our camera guy. And this is how it's looking. Now this is how it will look after you fit all of your popsicle sticks inside. Our supplies, as you can see here, include a variety of things, but believe me, this is an easy project to make. First, we're going to take our circle and we're going to remove the label like that. And we're going to take our antique wax and our white chalk paint. We're going to start adding or painting or staining our circle using our antique wax, just like that, just a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way and you will have to clean it just like me. And after we finish, we're gonna start with our bent popsicle sticks. This is how they look after 24 hours drying. Let them dry for a whole day, because if not, they're gonna go back to being straight. It happened to me. So just let them dry, paint them, and after you paint them, put them back for another 24 hours on your bowl. That will help them dry and not get straight like it happened to me. And now we're gonna take our straight popsicle sticks and we're gonna paint those. We paint them just like that, all the sides. And after we finish, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our beautiful circle and our beautiful stencil from Waverly. We're gonna start stenciling that to our circle using our white chalk paint. And just like that, you just transfer that stencil to your wooden piece. That gives it a boho look, kind of different type of look to our beautiful lantern. And you continue until you finish stenciling. After that, this is the beautiful design. And we're gonna start taking our popsicle sticks and gluing the bent ones with the straight ones. Just like that. You glue all of them together like that, and we're gonna start adding the bent part to the circle, and we're gonna crisscross them just like that. You add all of them, and when you finish, we're gonna start wrapping our rope around our popsicle sticks like that. We're gonna give it 3 rows of rope. Just like that. And now we're gonna attach. I'm using just an old necklace to my lantern, and I'm gonna add, after that, I'm gonna add a couple of tassels because they needed something else. The lantern needed a little bit something extra. And now I'm gonna add the feet for my lantern, and those are 4 wooden beads like that. And that's it, we have our lantern. To style our lantern, we're gonna need this. And now I'm gonna start styling my lantern, and I'm gonna add a candle like that. And now I'm gonna add some of this greenery. It's eucalyptus from Walmart. And that's it. Let me give you a closer look. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our rope on top, our tassels, our beads, our popsicle sticks. Let me give you a closer look of the top of the lantern. This is how it's looking. You can carry it using that. I styled it in my bedroom, as you can see here. That's the greenery from Walmart, and this is how it's looking. I love it. It looks so beautiful in my bedroom. And remember, in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Kenya for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.